Check out this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.8-liter V8 engine, 4WD type, part-time, automatic transmission, bed length, 97.6, clock, in-radio display, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights and engine hour meter. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.